Honor Magic 3 and MagicBook Art 14 2025 is now available in global markets along with the Mi 5. Made the announcement at an event held in the MagicPad 3 tablet comes in a single 512 GB version with 16 GB of RAM costing £599. It's available in grey and white colors. The MagicBook Art 14 2025 laptop comes to overseas is packing an Intel Core Ultra 7 55H CPU, 32 GB of RAM, 1 TB of storage. It retails whopping £1,499 and €1,699 and comes in emerald green, mocha brown, and sunrise white color. Pad 3 features 13.3-inch LCDs, that's a refresh rate of 165 Hz, 3.2K resolution, 100 nits of brightness. The tablet weighs 595 grams and is 5.79 millimeters. It's powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset that's Android 15 based MagicOS 9 with a bunch of AI features out of the box. It includes 13 megapixel primary and 2 megapixel rubbish camera. You get a 9 megapixel selfie camera. It gets 12,000 watt to 50 milliamp battery that supports 600 watt fast charging. You get Bluetooth 5.4 Wi-Fi 7, a vapor chamber for and support for Honor Magic Pencil 3 and 8 speakers. The MagicBook Art 14 2025 gets a 14.6-inch OLED with 120Hz refresh rate, 3.1K resolution, 1600 nits of peak brightness, weighs 1.03 kilograms and 11.5 millimeter thickness. It has a 60 kilowatt of battery, offers fast charging, supporting size backlit keyboard with large touch trackpad. It offers a hidden magnetic camera, 6 speakers, 3 microphones, and a power button with a finger connectivity. You get HDMI 2.1 USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 port, USB Type A 0.2 Gen 1 port, a Thunderbolt 4 input, a 2.1 headphone jack, Wi-Fi 7, NFC, and Bluetooth 5.1.